Hey guys, it's Shannon. So let me refresh you on where we left off from our last episode. The basement is finally really coming along. So this is what it looked like in the last episode, which I will link up in the iCards if you'd like to see where we started and where we left off. Of course, we needed a couple more trips to the hardware store, and if you're counting, we are up to 5 trips now. So the biggest thing we wanted to accomplish this week was to water seal the basement and work on this cellar entry. So the first thing to go were the old cellar doors, and we also had to do some work on the entry, adding some structural support for the new doors. After the new doors were on, we decided to paint everything with this watertight paint. So not only the doors and the trim and the walls of the cellar, but everything got a coat of this paint to help keep moisture out. Here's a look at what we did to the back side of the doors to add some more structural support to them. The top step leading down into the basement was also heavily damaged, so we needed to create a form and pour some concrete to create a brand new step. We were in a rush against time this whole weekend trying to get outside work done before storms and rain moved in, and unfortunately they got to us before we were finished, so we did have to cease work on the outside and move work inside. We decided to add a wood trim above the metal. So I used a 1x4 and some wood stain and a dark wood stain to give this a very nice finished look before we added drywall. We also added a couple electric outlets to this wall, as well as one up in the ceiling for something cool that will be going on this wall. Before we drywalled, I thought it would be fun to add our own little mark on the space before we closed it all in. Now it's finally time to add some drywall. So I was actually really looking forward to this part. I've never gotten a chance to drywall before, and with some guidance and help from my honey, I was able to measure, cut, and install my very first piece of drywall. So here's a look at the drywall all installed on both of the walls. Then it was time to tape and mud, and that is where we are right now on this basement remodel. So here's a look at the before and then where we are right now. You can see how far we've come. Please take a second to like this video and also subscribe. We have lots more to do to finish those basement doors, the cellar doors, as well as finishing off the basement on the inside. Also, go follow me on social media. I will have that linked in the description box below where you can follow me along on this journey. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.